Dead by Daylight thanks Handling Ray.
Hi everybody, Magic Man here. Let's watch Lula Loop's Loop as I tell you about tonight. Tonight is Loop's birthday celebration. Come join us for fun, customs, and good times. Help me celebrate the right way with her, and as always, I'll be on to.